Good morning or good afternoon. We're going to mask this painting, and as much as I dislike doing it, it's going to make putting in this water so much easier. And the water really is one of the most important parts in the painting, so we want to get that right. Now, if you all remember, we had a little breakthrough in some bubbles and the blue background going through some of the colors in the coral reef painting. And we're going to use the same blue, by the way. So it's pretty dark. And even though it isn't apparent that there might be a place for that dark blue to go through, sometimes you can't see it and it does. So there's a little solution for that. And what you do is you just take some tape and you place it over. These are the important ones. It's going to be yellow here and yellow here. We do not want that to happen. So I'm going to put a little tape here, and then we're going to seal it. And once that's done, it will all be protected. So we're going to just seal it around the sides, and we'll also give another coat here on the edges. Now I'm working on a printed copy here, so the lines are really dark so you could see them in the video. So we're just going to seal that tape on the edges. We're going to seal it all the way around here and also here. And I've come over a little bit with the tape, but this is a printed copy, so it doesn't matter that much. And we're going to do the same thing on the glass, because that's another important element in the painting that we do not want anything to bleed through. Try to do it a little better than I just did. When you're doing a video, you're always kind of on the move here. So just push that down and then just seal the edges. And give another coat to those, to the edges that are not with the tape, like so. Come around here and catch those edges. This one I could move in a little bit, but for brevity's sake, I'm just going to leave it. And this one probably have a little more here. And I do like to seal the tape around the edges of a dark wash that I'm going to do, just to make sure it doesn't run down the tape and into something where you do not want it. So that's the way we're going to seal, and to make sure that these yellow items will not end up with any blue on them. If you want to mask these rocks and just the bottom portion of the sailboat, you may. I generally don't do it because I'm going to put those in afterwards. So this gives you the kind of the schematic for the masking. If you do not want to mask out the horizon line from here, you do not have to do that. You can blend it into the sky, but for those that are a little more maybe timid or unsure, we're going to stop it right there and we'll put the sky in later. If you do want to mask these to put the sky in later, you can, but it isn't necessary. The sky is going to be quite light, and these are going to be a little bit on the darkish side, so I don't worry about those too much. And I don't worry about the items like the leaves, things that are darker, that if a little bit of the blue seeps through, it's going to be a problem, because that will be fairly well covered. You might want to give another, just a little second coat here as well. And if you want to tape this edge, you could. It's another portion of the painting that we don't want that blue to seep through, but it isn't a disaster if it happens. So this is our start, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to do this wash here as the second part of this video, and but don't do this at home. We're going to do that in class. What I want you to do before class is just the masking, okay? I'll be back.